The Amazon jungle is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, and it's a must-visit for any nature lover. Here are a few things you must do when you go. There are hiking trails of all levels of difficulty in the Amazon jungle, so you can find one that's perfect for you. Hike through the lush rainforest and see all the amazing plants and animals that call it home. The best way to see the Amazon jungle is from the water. Take a boat ride down a river and see the rainforest from a different perspective. You might even spot some of the Amazon's famous wildlife, like pink dolphins or caimans. The Amazon is home to many indigenous peoples, and visiting a local village is a great way to learn about their culture and way of life. You can see how they live, what they eat, and how they interact with the rainforest. The Amazon jungle is one of the best places in the world to go stargazing. The lack of light pollution means you can see the stars in all their glory. Lie back on the ground and enjoy the show. The Amazon is home to a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and spices. Take a cooking class and learn how to make some of the region's delicious dishes. The Amazon is home to an incredible variety of wildlife, from monkeys and jaguars to sloths and toucans. Go on a wildlife safari and see some of these amazing creatures in their natural habitat. There's nothing quite like relaxing in a hammock in the Amazon jungle. Take a break from your adventures and just enjoy the peace and quiet. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most important ecosystems on Earth. Learn about the rainforest and how you can help protect it. The Amazon jungle is the perfect place to have an adventure. Go hiking, swimming, boating, or even whitewater rafting. Whatever you do, you're sure to have an unforgettable experience. The Amazon jungle is a place where you can truly disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Just take some time to relax and be present in the moment. You won't regret it. I hope you enjoyed this script on the Amazon jungle and things you must do when you visit.